get my voice together. So this one I keep shopping on. Do I have money for TJMAXX? Probably not. Is somebody funding this? Well, maybe not. So here's an advertisement. If you are a sugar daddy looking for a sugar baby, you know, to do like minimal work, because I'm not gonna do anything nasty. I'm a child of God. But if you're looking for somebody to hold hands, because you know, as a sister in Christ, I can hold your hand. We can engage in prayer, in Bible study. I talk a lot, so I can definitely keep you company. We can talk. So if you are a sugar daddy and you're looking to fund my lifestyle so that I can have more hauls in the future, please definitely comment down below. And if you're a friend of a sugar daddy, please tag them in this video. You people will not come and stress me. Tag them in this video. So let's just go ahead and get started, okay? So item number 1, here you go. It's like a little bit of a vase situation. So I haven't shared with you yet, but I got myself a mirror for like one of those like my big mirrors that you see like on Instagram and people like, you know, fancy. So I got that mirror, and so because the mirror is reflecting on one of my bookshelves, I was like, I need to kind of make that bookshelf a little prettier. So I got this little vase. I'm trying to see like, you know, what I can do with it. Maybe I can just like finesse it here and there. It's really pretty. I like the little earth tones to it. It's just like nice, pretty basic. And I got this for $14.99. Again, I don't know if I could have done better or not. I like this and I say I'm gonna get it. I'm not gonna come and stress myself. So a lot of the items you guys are gonna be seeing today are a little bit of, you know, skincare, you know, body wash, things of that nature, because your girl is out here. I'm trying to be smelling good. I'm trying to be smelling fresh, trying to get myself ready. If that sugar daddy comes and finds me, I have to be smelling sweet. So I got this body wash. This was $7.99. I think it's pretty. It has like hemp oil and shea butter, all of the things. I thought this bottle was like really, really pretty. Let me see if I could get it closer for you guys. But there you go. Really, really pretty bottle. $7.99. I don't think it's that bad. Whenever I go to like Walgreens or them, most of these things tend to be that price anyway. So I was like, why not? Let me just like stack up. I like to have at least, you know, 2 body wash in the house, because you never know when you might run out and just like your mid shower all lathered up and then you need extra soap. I'm never gonna be the girl caught tripping. So definitely always want to have extra. So item number 3 is yet another body wash. This one has honey. It has also almond and stuff like that. And oh, this is why I got it. It says it's age reverse, infused with purifying honey. This soothing body wash retains moisture at a deeper level and leaves skin with a dewy, natural glow. I have really dry skin. If you know me in real life, you know that I struggle with really dry skin. So I'm trying to find like products that would definitely help me maintain moisture from like the shower all the way to like, you know, the lotioning and stuff like that. So I got this one. I think it's really pretty. The flowers are just like giving it a vibe, you know. And if this thing is gonna reverse my age, who am I to stop it? Reverse the age, okay? Let me be looking out here like a 14-year-old. Let the age be reversed. So I don't mind this at all. We'll see. I think I'm actually gonna try this first. So I'll try this first and then I'll keep the other one for next time. But I just, especially now that it's getting colder, I feel like my skin could use a little bit of TLC, a lot more moisture and all of the things. So I'll definitely be putting this in my shower. Alrighty, the next 2 items are just because, you know, I own a cleaning service. Shameless plug. If you don't already know, I own a cleaning service called Lola Cleaning Service. It is left right here. Book me, or if you know somebody that's nasty with a nasty house or nasty office, please definitely send them to your girl. But these 2 are just like cleaning products that I got from there. This one is for the oven or grill cleaner. Just like always making sure that I try like different products. So this is one in case you're interested. That's what it looks like. And this one I actually got for my actual house. This is like a stove top cleaner, just standard, nothing crazy. It was $2.99. This was $2.99. and this other one was $4.99, which again standard for this type kind of products from wherever I get different products. That's just like standard. Wow, I'm actually proud. One bag is already gone. So the next item we have a gel cleanser. I've used this before. I've got this from like Walgreens. I've definitely used this before. This was only $3.99. I feel like at Walgreens I got it for much more, but I got this for $3.99. And I remember using this specifically whenever I would wear makeup. I needed a little bit of help, like, you know, breaking down the makeup. That brand in particular is really good. So I got that one. And I also got another one, the same one, the same company. It's infused with, like, you know, vitamin C. Again, just helping your girl maintain moisture. That way I'm not out here looking ashy or just like looking like a vagabond. This is what we do not want. We do not want to look like a nonsensical vagabond. So again, products like this are gonna help me just be like, you know, moisturized. That way, just like I'm just, you know, sultry and cute, that my skin is just like, you know, glowing. So another face wash. I got 2 face wash. What is it, 2? I actually got 3 face wash. This one, why did I get it? This one, it says it helps promote rapid cells turnover for a fresh, glowing complexion. Again, most of the products that I'm getting is to just help me maintain moisture on my face and stuff like that. It removes dirt. I would like to hope so. Like, if you're gonna be a soap, please remove dirt, or oil and daily buildup and all of the things. It's gonna give the skin a boost in hydration. Okay, that's why I got it. A boost in hydration. It is also vegan, cruelty free. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, pretty standard. Now I know, you know, eating vegan food or just like eating vegetables and things like that is good for you. So I'm trying to find out what vegan products are actually gonna do for my face. If it does good things for your body, like on the inside, I can only hope that vegan products are good for your body, or just like your face and your skin and stuff like that. So yeah, this is another one that I got, and this was only $3.99. Now here's the thing. The reason why I always go to TJMAXX and just like spend, you know, a good amount of money is because for the most part, some of these brands, if you go on their actual websites, like, I'm pretty sure these items will cost a little bit more. I don't know why it is that at TJMAXX things like really good name brand stuff tend to be relatively affordable. I don't want to say like too cheap, because again, these things will add up, but they just tend to be relatively more affordable than buying you from like the original website or like, you know, the original store and stuff like that. Like, things can get really expensive, but for some reason TJMAXX, they care about the average person. So all right, next item, in keeping up with trying to like smell really good, trying to be like all young and like, you know, fresh smelling, fruity and just like extravagant, I got me this little body scrub. It's an exfoliating body scrub. It has like sweet jasmine. I have no idea what that is, but we'll find out. This is what it looks like. The bottle, not for nothing, the bottle just like looks really, really pretty. So I was like, why not? And it's like, you just, is it a powder? Oh no, it's actually like a liquid. Alright, so you just like put it on your skin and just like scrub like after shower. I try to like exfoliate my skin at least once or twice a week. That way I'm also not like, you know, killing all of the natural oils that I already have. So yeah, once or twice a week I try to use this. And sweet jasmine, I don't know if you guys know what sweet jasmine smells like. Definitely let me know down below, but I guess we'll all find out. This one was $5.99. Again, I feel like this is a good price. $5.99 for like an exfoliating body scrub. Listen, don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. The next item that I got is a perfume. I think I'm just coming to myself. Like, I feel like I've always only own like maybe one perfume at a time, and like I said in the past, my sister will always be the one buying my perfumes. But these days I'm just like, yo, I'm grown and I want to smell like differently depending on the day. Excuse the noise if you hear it. I want to smell sweet if I want to. I want to smell like, you know, grown and just like spicy and sexy, like depending on what the mood is, depending on like where I'm going or what I'm wearing or just like the weather. So I'm really trying to like, you know, expand my fragrance collection. So I got this, you know, eau de parfum. This time around I made sure that it was for actual women. Is this showing? See, let me do how YouTubers do. So this is just like right here. Oh my gosh, can y'all see it? I'm not sure, but when I tell you this smells so good, let's actually just do another, smell test so that y'all can see. As I spray it, imagine that this is being sprayed on you as well, and just like blow it. You know what I mean? Like shake it a little bit. Even just like when you spray, just like at first, it has like a really subtle. Um, it smells so good. It's like very subtle, yet subtle but not too pungent. You know what I'm saying? It's subtle, pungent, but not too pungent. Like you can definitely smell it. It smells like roses. It just smells like really, really pretty. It smells like a little girl. Not like in a weird way, but just like it smells like it's like cozy and just like really pretty. Oh, I like it. I like it so much. And this one is called Element Edition. It's Pearl Eau de Parfum. And this was $14.99, so essentially it's like $15. This is what it looks like. Again, I'm gonna be out here in this street. I'm gonna be grown up. So when you people see me, I'm smelling like like big madam. Respect yourself and mind your own. You understand? Unless you know somebody that's gonna sponsor this lifestyle, please do not come and stress me. Do you understand? Anyway, so that's the perfume. All right, next item, I got these workout gloves. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just standard workout gloves. This is in a size large, if you are wondering. Essentially just like, okay, let me just rip that one apart. So just like as I'm lifting weights, I've been doing a lot of lifting. Your girl, I actually lifted 205 pounds as far as like squatting. Like I squatted 205 pounds. My personal trainer was really, really impressed. So I'm just trying to make sure that I continue. My personal training is ending this month because it's like I also have to be, financially wise. So I'm ending that this month, but I've gained a lot of like momentum as far as like, going to the gym. And when I'm at the gym, what do I actually do? So we have been lifting a lot. So I thought like, why not get, some gloves as far as like when I'm lifting or just like doing things with like heavy weights. That way I'm not like, damaging my hands any more than necessary. So I got these ones and these were like $5.99. I used to own a pair, but I gave them away. And these are the new ones, so we'll see like how these are performing. It feels comfortable. It feels comfortable enough and like really stretchy. So $5.99, that's not bad at all. Next up, I got this blazer. I'm not gonna try this on right now. I will do another video for like a try on haul as when I pair it up with other things. But this is really, really pretty. It was $26 on sale. I wonder why it was $26, because initially it was like $40 and then they put it on sale. I don't know if there's anything wrong with it, because you know how sometimes some of these things be going on sale because there's like a hole or something. When I looked at it, it doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with it. And it's like pretty long, nothing too crazy. And this is a size large. It feels very comfortable and very like, stretchy. I already have plenty of like, the dress that I'm going to wear this with. But this was this is just like a nice little blazer that I can show you guys, during the haul. So definitely comment below if you would like to see a haul when I try some of these things. But I think this was a pretty good steal, especially now that it's getting colder. To spend like $26 on a blazer, that's not bad at all. Another clothing department thing that I got was this little body con situation that I got. I think it's really cute. I think it's gonna go really well if I pair that up with like a neutral, like a black skirt, or even just like jeans or something that doesn't have a lot going on. I can put this on top and then throw that blazer on. So it's gonna be a whole situation. So when you people see me in these streets acting right, respect yourself also. Me, I'm out here doing the things. This I think is really, really cute. It's very stretchy, so it can go if you're looking for like just like something that can fit and just like give you that coverage or protection. This is definitely one. This is in XL. This is XL. I got it in. Again, it doesn't look like an XL, but I think because of the stretch, it can go pretty far. So this was really nice as well. I got this for $9.99. I feel like I could have gotten this cheaper if I went to like Shein or something like that. But I'm also trying to be grown and not only have things from Shein. I want to have like, clothes from different places. Hopefully like I get better quality and stuff. Because again, I'm trying to elevate my style. I'm trying to be more of a classy bougie madame. So I gotta act right with my shopping as far as like, clothing items and everything. So that's that. Another item that I got is these pants right here. Yo, when I tell you, these are so, they look so cute on me. And the thing is, for me, it's really hard to find pants that can cover everything that I have behind me. This was just that for me. It has enough room over here, right? And also at the waistband, it's a bit of an elastic. That way nothing is getting stuck mid booty and I'm like, what to do now? You know, because this booty is not going anywhere. It's here to stay. So I was like, why not? So I got this. I think it's really cute, and because I'm also short, I'm always looking for like pants that go all the way and not like, they're not too long where I'm gonna trip on them. This was just like the perfect size if I do wear heels. Like if I wear heels, the pants will be all the way off the floor and I'll be like safe to walk. So yeah, nothing crazy. It does not, it has pockets. I didn't know. Front pockets, the back pockets are not non-pocket, just like the fake pockets. And yeah, the waistband at the front, pretty standard. And then at the back you got the little bit of the elastic, which I really like. Another option, I can pair this up with the shirt that I just showed you. I can pair those up together and just like throw like a nice black blazer or something different, because again the pants already has so much going on. You don't want to do this and then add another caro. This one again, it's like, what are you trying to do? Keep it simple. This already is the statement. Wear like a classic, either white tee or white shirt, and just like keep it cute. You can accessorize, but don't do this and then add like a flower pattern, because a lot of you are out here looking like clowns. Stop it. And by the way, the pants, they were $24.99, so like $25. I would take it because I struggle to find pants. It is still pricey, but because I struggle to find pants so much, I'll take it. $25 is not so bad for like, you know, dress pants of like good quality. Like what brand is this even? Hold on, because I'm just saying TJMAXX. Some of these brands are like official. Oh. This one is Nicole Miller. I don't know if Nicole Miller, what kind of clothing she makes, but this seems like good quality. It doesn't seem at all like if I wash it today, by the, you know, by tomorrow it won't even be able to fit my nephew. Like it's not gonna shrink on you, nothing crazy. So here's the other item that I got. This one was also $20. Again, I've been wanting a skirt like this for the longest. I used to own one, but I have no idea where I put it. So I was like, this is really cute. I have like boots and just like a whole outfit that I've actually worn before. If you watch my Chicago vlog, then you saw like the outfit that I wore. I have a couple items from Shein that I styled with like this little black skirt, but I have no idea where that black skirt went. So I've been on a search for like a skirt that will actually fit, and this one did, and it has a little cut over there at the corner, which I did enjoy. Like I said, $19.99, a little bit more pricier than I would spend on like a piece of skirt. But again, I'm trying to be really mindful. This is a size 12 if you are interested. And yeah, I like it. The quality feels really nice, and it just covered my body, fit well, I was comfortable and all of the things. So that was definitely one that I definitely will be keeping. Just because it's fall and I'm also trying to be like super cozy, I just got like a pair of like, you know, sweatpants. I think I own only like 2 sweatpants, like if I'm being honest. I am somebody that like I get rid of things really quickly. If I've worn something a lot of times and I feel like I'm not wearing it as much, I will literally just like throw it out. I'm not one of those people that can hold on to things. I think it's because of just like the way I grew up. But so I don't have as many. So when I saw this, I was like, this seems so, it feels so soft. It's like actually really soft, very stretchy. I can wear this around the house just to lounge around, but I can also take this to the gym. Like I can wear this to work out, because again, the material is not as thick as a traditional, you know, whatchamacallit sweatpants. So definitely enjoyed this. So that's it for my haul. In total, I spent $190. 90 of those was my own money. The other 100, God has blessed me with tremendously, is what I'm gonna say. God has blessed me tremendously. So, but that's still not enough. So again, if you know of a sugar daddy, my number is gonna be on the screen. Let me stop.